has decided, but what is that decision? Is it going to be a final stamp on the Aam Aadmi Party's unchallenged dominance in the capital, or will it be a homecoming for the BJP after over 2.5 decades? Exit polls have predicted a BJP comeback in Delhi after 10 years of Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party in power in the national capital. The Congress won no seat in the last two Delhi elections in 2015 and 2020. The party, which ruled Delhi for 15 years between the years 1998 and 2013, lost power in the national capital when Arvind Kejriwal's AAP took over the reins in the year 2013. But who will win Delhi Ka Dil? That's what everyone wants to know. What are the exit polls saying? Now, without much ado, let's take a look at the poll of polls. Now, we're going to take you through what the poll of polls have been saying, and we'll put up the numbers here. Now, this is at least we have about 5 to 6 exit poll agencies and their numbers, and then we'll tell you about the poll of polls. Now, the agency we're talking about is JVC's poll, which has given 39 to 45 seats to the BJP, 22 to 31 to the Aam Aadmi Party, 0 to 2 to the Congress Party, and others managing to get anywhere between 0 to 1 seats. When it comes to Matrise, it's 35 to 40 for the Bharatiya Janata Party, 32 to 37 for the Aam Aadmi Party, 0 to 1 for the Congress, and others not getting any seats. People's Insight, another agency, goes on to say that the BJP will be getting anywhere between 40 to 44 seats, 25 to 29 seats for the Aam Aadmi Party, 0 to 1 to the Congress, and others getting nothing. People's Pulse, another agency, goes on to say that the Bharatiya Janata Party will be getting anywhere between 51 to 60 seats. The Aam Aadmi Party will end up between 10 to 19 seats. Congress will get no seats, and neither will others. Chanakya Strategies, another agency, goes on to say that the BJP may end up anywhere between 39 to 44 seats. The Aam Aadmi Party could get anywhere between 25 to 28 seats. Congress could get anywhere between 2 to 3. That's what Chanakya Strategies is projecting. PMARC goes on to say that for the BJP, they could end up anywhere between 39 to 49. The Aam Aadmi Party could get anywhere between 21 to 31. The Congress will get possibly 0 to 1 seats. Poll Diary, another agency, goes on to say that BJP will get anywhere between 42 viewers to 50 seats. Aam Aadmi Party could get anywhere between 18 to 25. Congress could end up anywhere between 0 to 2. DV Research, another agency, goes on to say that the BJP could get anywhere between 36 to 44. The Aam Aadmi Party could get anywhere between 26 to 34, and the Congress could get anywhere between, could end up with no seats. Mindbrink, another agency, which seems to be an outlier amongst all these polls, they are going on to say that the BJP will get anywhere between 21 to 25. Or amongst all the polls, you can see it as Mindbrink, which is giving the Aam Aadmi Party an edge over the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is the AAP could get anywhere between 44 to 49 seats, and the Congress could land up anywhere between 0 to 1. And finally, you have another of this agency, which is We Decide, which goes on to say that the BJP could land up anywhere between 18 to 23. The Aam Aadmi Party could get anywhere between 46 to 52, and the Congress could get anywhere between 0 to 1. So, when it comes to these two agencies, if you can see, viewers, amongst all the exit poll agencies, there are two which are saying that the Aam Aadmi Party has an edge. But majority of the polls, and if we just go by the trend that has been projected by majority of exit polls, it is the BJP that's getting an edge. And so, what is the poll of polls going on to say? The poll of polls say that the BJP could end up getting anywhere between 36 to 42. Aam Aadmi Party could get anywhere between 27 to 33. The Congress could end up anywhere between 0 to 1 seats. So, what is the final headline? It is an edge for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Is the Bharatiya Janata Party on the verge of scripting history in the national capital? Could it form government in the national capital? We'll all have to wait till the 8th of February. But it's the Aam Aadmi Party which is absolutely rejecting all these projections. What is the Aam Aadmi Party saying? Listen in.
2013 के एग्जिट पोल ने हमें हराया, 2015 के एग्जिट पोल ने हमें हराया, 2025 में भी पहले के हिसाब से हमारी सीटें कम दिखाई जा रही हैं। मुझे लगता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी को एग्जिट पोल हमेशा कम आंकते रहे हैं, और उसका बड़ा कारण ये है कि आम लोगों की जो आवाज़ है वो अक्सर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जो दबंग हैं वो दबाते हैं। डराया जाता है, धमकाया जाता है, तो एक आम आदमी अपनी बात एग्जिट पोल पे नहीं कहता।
देखिए, कोई भी आप हिस्टोरिकली एग्जिट पोल देख लीजिए, आम आदमी पार्टी को हमेशा कम दिखाया जाता है। 2013, 2015, 2020, पंजाब का 2022, लेकिन जितना दिखाया जाता है उससे कई गुना ज्यादा रियल एग्जैक्ट पोल में आती है आम आदमी पार्टी। तो इस बार भी दिल्ली में बहुत भारी संख्या में लोगों ने आम आदमी पार्टी को वोट दिया है। ऐतिहासिक जीत होने वाली है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी चौथी बार दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री बनने वाले हैं।
So will majority of the exit polls get it all wrong as being claimed by the Aam Aadmi Party? Will the BJP, if the numbers are to go by, will the BJP form sarkar in Delhi? And what about the Congress party and its prospects? Because as per all these exit polls, it is the Congress party which has now been reduced to a non-entity in the capital. Times Now has always been your election news headquarters, and it comes with the guarantee that you will always hear the biggest, the most credible voices here first. And here are some of the biggest stakeholders and their takeaways from the poll of polls. So if we go by the numbers of the poll of polls, what does it go on to say? The poll of polls is giving anywhere between 36 to 42 seats to the Bharatiya Janata Party, which means the BJP has hit the magic number, and if we go by the upper range, then they're forming the government. When it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party, the poll of polls says that they will end up getting anywhere between 27 to 33 seats, which means if we just go by these numbers, and that's a big if, then the Aam Aadmi Party, as per the poll of polls, will be sitting in the opposition. The Congress, once again staring at decimation, could get anywhere between 0 to 1. So if these numbers are to go by, if these projections are to go by, does it mean community-wise there has been consolidation behind the Bharatiya Janata Party? While many spoke about the Muslim vote of Delhi and how it consolidates either behind the Congress party or the Aam Aadmi Party, is the trend going to change this time? There are some